That's the right idea right there.
Yeah.
That's gonna be impressive to carry out there.
Right on. Best investment I ever made.
How far is the half? Isn't the Half Dome like 10 plus, or is it like 17 miles?
Half Dome in Yosemite?
Yeah.
I think it is like a 17-mile.
Okay.
Some people do it in like 2 days and camp up there. But yeah, it's a full day hike.
What?
No way! Oh my gosh! You guys, dude, I bumped into the Aaron here. These are the people I met on the Narrows yesterday. I didn't get the permit, right?
No.
And I found him down here. He had extra slot in his permit, so I just like totally lucked out. What's up, Ryan? Absolutely. So good to see you guys. That's great destiny. I was just telling him about you. These guys from Ohio.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Or
Carl.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
man.
So you were talking about us.
Yeah, literally, was just telling him. Like, I'm like so glad I went solo because like I met all these cool people, and I'm like, yeah, like I wouldn't if I went with somebody else, I might not like just go out my way to talk to people, and you know, like what are the odds? You know?
Dude, what a
And you guys are here at
crazy-
the same time. Oh my gosh!
It's awesome. It's awesome up there.
Did you guys already went up?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
just letting ourselves unpucker.
I don't know if Aaron. I think Aaron might want to get going here. So,
Okay.
but so good to meet you, see you guys again. I'll definitely catch up. I'll post these to YouTube or Instagram, and I'll tag you guys for sure.
Okay.
Right on.
Hey,
It's so good to see you guys. Absolutely.
See you, Ryan. See ya.
How about that, right? Destiny. I was like, man, like I was kind of like praying to God, like, like, come on, please let me get this permit. Like, I really want to do this. I've been wanting to do it for years, and I'm like, if I, don't get it, I'm just gonna have to figure it out. And so then, be careful here. It's a little slippery. Might want to just give them a second. I was like, oh, just give it a shot, and then I bumped into them, and it's kind of like, I think it's kind of a little bit of destiny. I see them again up here, bump into you. Yeah, this is the
Christmas miracle.
right. It really is. Man, that's incredible.
And are they here till you guys leave around the same time too? How long are they here till?
So they are here till I think just today.
Oh.
Yeah, today's their last day. I'm pretty certain. Yeah.
And they're staying around here too, or
So they're at an Airbnb in like one of the closer towns nearby. That's what they said. So they must have got up pretty early to come over here, because I saw them there. I was there yesterday. I saw them around 1 p.m. and they started heading back.
Yeah.
So they probably finished up around 1 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Right?
Alright. It's hard because the sun right now.
Oh
just
yeah. Did you bring sunglasses?
I have some sunglasses,
Okay.
but it's just like the, it's just making everything dark right now.
Yeah, true. I have the exposure.
Have you been to Hawaii?
I have not been to Hawaii. You know what? Actually, some of my family members are going there at the end of the month.
Which island?
Oh, I couldn't say. We'll have to ask them. But they kind of retired, and they're like, my aunt and uncle have been doing stuff like that in Hawaii. They love it. But I want to go. That's for sure. Ooh, man. Oh, this is pretty steep here. Boy.
Is this part of Scout Overlook or whatever?
So I think Scout Overlook is like the trail I was thinking about doing next, like behind us.
Oh, is that it?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. Scout Overlook was right where we took the picture from.
Oh, that's Scout
Yeah,
Overlook.
because it comes and it goes to the back over there, so you can go. So that's what they call it, a Scout Overlook. But that's what I want to just get down. Right or left? It's like a video game,
Yeah.
Right or left path. Let me know if you want a picture. I'd be happy to snag one for you.
Maybe like when we get
Oh, it up top?
right
Okay.
before the climb,
Right on.
I can snap a picture of you too.
Right on, sweet. Yeah, I definitely owe you one, Aaron.
Huh?
I definitely owe you one.
No, it's fine. I'm happy I found at least somebody to give one of my slots open.
Yeah.
Or one of my slots.
Right. Heck yeah. Wow. Sooner than later, that's for sure.
Are you gonna try again, Angel's Landing? Maybe some family.
Yeah, definitely. And you know, it's definitely a incredible hike. You know, it's one of those things that I'm probably gonna I'm gonna start applying for certain permits. Yeah, trust me. Last couple times I went, I was like successfully doing it for a couple weeks without like any concussions. And then, like I said, a couple new people just like want to knock somebody's head off, take out some energy, and like, you know.
Sorry.
You're good.
We're not gonna get our car there until unfortunately.
Dude, I'm fine. It's been all day up here, you know. This is the main attraction, right?
Yeah.
I'm at your pace, so like I said.
Yeah, you should come down Hawaii. It's not as
Yeah, I would love to for sure.
There's a couple hikes. I think there's only one hike that I know of that's a little more sketchy.
Oh, really?
It doesn't have like any chains. It's more just like ropes and stuff like that.
Right.
But it's called if you remember it, it's called the 3 Pillars.
The 3 Pillars. Okay.
Yeah.
I got a pretty good noggin, so that's one thing about yellow thing is like about training and fighting. It's like I'm in school full time, and it's like I just can't. I like having my wits too much, you know.
Yeah.
It's just more important than getting that out. But I always I always wanted to try it, you know. I always wanted to say shoulda, woulda. I didn't want to say shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Yeah.
I say I did that, you know. So I've been kind of knocking things off. Like even this trip, I was like, I didn't have anybody to go with. I wanted to do this. I'm like, I just got to do it, or I'm never gonna do it. You know, that's the mentality I'm taking about things now. And it's just plain and simple.
My original plan was to hit I was a little bit closer to like arches and canyonlands, so I hit that during my clinical, and I wanted to hit Capitol Reef, but just because I had all my stuff with me, and you can't check until like 4 or 3, 4 o'clock, I was like, oh, I might have to just miss Capitol Reef.
Yeah.
I might have to do it next time.
That's how it works out sometimes on these trips. You just can't get as much in as you think you could. Hey, wait a second. Oh, wow.
You guys come up.
Okay.
Is there anyone behind you guys?
Didn't see anybody. I know, right? That's one thing I wish I had a zipper for right now. Should have brought my little pack. Yeah, it's really, we'll see, you know, but we say that now. Like I said, sometimes coming down is a little harder on these things because like it's easier to climb up and then put places, and then when you're coming down, you're looking straight down at the decline, you know. It's gonna make it hard.
I don't know if you heard of the Stairway to Heaven in Hawaii.
Oh yeah, I've heard. My buddy, I have a friend that told me about this park that's done this trail before. He's also the one that told me to go to Yosemite and Sequoia.
Yeah.
And I think he has done that one before. And I saw some pictures on his Insta or his Snapchat. But no, other than that, you know. Have you done that one before?
Not.
System? Oh right, oh yeah.
If you go if you go straight to the stairs, 2 miles, a little strenuous, but if you get caught, it's like $1,000 fine.
Oh right.
So it's like you kind of have to finesse a little bit. But
yeah.
I want to do it when I get home, but I don't know anybody that.
Interesting. That wants to go do it with you, right?
Yeah.
That's the trouble.
Or is planning on doing it, just because just a little bit trickier. It's just always people saying like it's not too.
Need to make an app where that's probably what I'll do when I'm done with my software degree. Make an app and where people want to do trails together.
I feel like people on Facebook and stuff.
Yeah, there probably are some groups. You're probably right.
I'm not the most sociable person.
Okay.
I just do things myself.
Right. Well, that's how you get. I mean, that's how you learn. That's how you get sociable, you know, or so. That's how you become social.
Yeah. Yeah.
Putting yourself in some situations where you really have to test your abilities. Whew. Sometimes you make some mistakes and you learn from them, and sometimes you befriend the wrong people, you know, but you learn from that. Wow.
Is this it? Oh no.
No, still going.
Oh.
Wow. Oh wow. Whew. Yeah, it's perfect if you ask me. No, it could be really windy. It was windy these past 2 mornings, you know.
Oh,
really
yeah.
windy.
Checking the weather, like please don't snow.
Oh, I know. You know, it was supposed to rain the other day. Like I saw it said it was gonna rain today.
Oh.
Yeah, it was an 85% chance like 2 days ago it was gonna rain today. And I looked yesterday and no rain. I was like, oh, sweet.
It's like lower elevation. Right here. To worry about.
Yeah.
Ice yet.
Go ahead.
But
Them guys go by. Go ahead.
Oh, he's coming down.
Yeah, you gotta wait for him to come down here.
See, I gotta
morning.
kinda get good
Morning.
morning.
thank you.
Yeah, they were in front of us together. They passed us up.
They passed us up. Yeah.
You can see why people make it dangerous though, you know, like the more people coming up here. Because I remember years ago it was like,
It was bad the
I was-
last time I came.
I mean even in the summer I'm sure it's more busy even maybe, but I mean they only sell so many permits, so, but years ago before they let the permits, there weren't any permits, like it was, I mean I watched YouTube videos and it was like,
2022.
it's like a
they
circus.
Started, had to sell
Oh,
the
it was
permits.
worse than
Oh,
Disneyland
Yeah.
ride.
Oh,
It
yeah.
came in 2021, and the chain was just shaking like crazy.
Oh really?
With the people coming up and down. And it was just a lot of people.
Ah, I thought they always had the permits in place.
No.
Nope.
They just did that in 2021 April.
Wow. No, they won't.
Oh, the dragon's back, dude.
The what? The
Oh.
dragon?
The dragon's back?
What?
We're climbing up the dragon's back right now?
The dragon's back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
How's it going?
Doing great.
Are we gonna be famous?
Yeah, maybe. Want me to tag you? What's your handle?
I don't really have one.
All right. Anonymous. We're getting there, close.
That's it.
Hey, how's that?
What's going on?
How's it going? Going good.
Yeah. Go ahead. Get a little slow on the descent, so.
Oh, man.
Is this still the dragon's back?
I mean, I guess the whole thing is it's just, you know, I don't know, I don't think it's called that, but I was just saying that because it's like a dragon's back. You're going up and up and it goes in like these waves.
Oh, someone brought their professional camera.
Oh, nice. See if they're selling photos, right? I get one. This looks like it. About there. Boy. Boy, oh boy. Hello. yeah, I've been definitely made some more efficient time than I thought, because I thought I might be up here all day like asking people, you know.
Yeah. Oh, you would have.
I would have just hung out.
day?
Yeah, I would have hung out and just
Oh wow.
kept asking, you know.
Oh yeah, don't they?
Was that?
I should have brought some snacks.
Oh yeah, I got some snacks if you want something.
I'm good.
I got a protein bar for you. They're really good.
Nah. I don't want to eat your food.
No, no, I insist. I got plenty. Look at that little guy.
I wasn't gonna step on him.
He's a cutie. I saw the cutest little mouse yesterday in the Narrows. It was at night, like last time I saw this little
Night,
guy.
like
He was like
5?
this big.
5, 6 o'clock.
Like 7.
Oh, you were there late.
Dude, I didn't get done until 8 o'clock. Yeah, I was there for a couple hours
It's
in
at
the dark.
nighttime. I was thinking maybe like 4 or 5 when it gets dark.
Yeah. Right. It was kind of daring, but oh wow. Yep.
Oh my.
That's definitely it. Yeah, this is a different view than over there for sure. Oh wow, yeah, there's the Narrows. That's the slot canyon to the Narrows, and it goes all the way through there.
To the right? Or like
Straight
in the
ahead.
middle, Straight ahead.
And it gets wider as it comes out.
Yeah.
Because apparently the river, like there's springs, like go through and it erodes the sandstone, and then it's getting into the canyetta which is a softer stone.
Yeah.
And once it starts removing the bottom layer, all the sandstone starts to fall off from the top. So it gets wider and wider on the outlet, and then in the end it gets more narrow and narrow. It's really cool. Wow.
That's great. Props to you.